Hello, and thank you for clicking on this video. If you'd like to see this look, then stick around. So I already did my face makeup and my brows as well as my blush, which I decided to only show you on one cheek apparently. So we're starting off with this super bright lime green eyeshadow. All of these products will be linked down below, by the way, if they are still available. Honestly, I've had some of these eyeshadows for over a decade, so I put that bright lime green on the inner corner of the eyes, but only so much as about a thick eyeliner, and that's going to be these first three colors are all just going to be applied as a thick eyeliner, basically. And the next color is this royal blue, which is going smack dab in the center. So it's going to be the main kind of pop of color in this eye look. It's really inspired by blue. And the last is this beautiful magenta color, which is, you guessed it, going on the outer third. I kind of tried to create a little bit of a wing there. Again, we're just creating a thick, colorful eyeliner. It doesn't need to be perfect. The main tediousness about this, the hardest thing for this part, is really just getting those three colors to blend nicely together, but still stand out independently. I did want that blue to just be a bit more, wanted it to stand out more than the others, so I went in and patted more dry over the top there and blended it into the other colors a bit more. And then I'm using this highlighter. It's kind of a neutral, like a white gold color. Put that in the inner corners, as well as under the inner third of the eye. So just all around that inner corner, on the brow bones of course, and blending that nicely downward and also in under the eyebrow a bit. On the cheekbone, just on that highest point there. Blending with your fingers if necessary, and then just a tiny bit on the tip of the nose, and the Cupid's bow, which I remember it actually works best with a fingertip because it just hits those high points really nicely in one swoop. And then just a tiny little touch on the chin as well. This is a black eyeshadow that we're going in with next for the eye look, with this very sharp, very precise liner pencil, and this black is loaded with silver shimmer. We're going to be creating a anti-liner. It is a thing, I looked it up. And this is actually inspired by a look I did in my my eyeshadow collection Picks My Makeup series. My glam Bob Marley look is the kind of format for this look. I really enjoyed making that one and how it turned out. So we're just putting a line of the shimmery black on top of that colorful eyeliner we created, and then making a straight line down from that wing to the eyelash line, and then we're going to create the rest of the lid look. So this is actually really satisfying to watch in fast forward, so we're going to go ahead and watch that. And it's literally just drawing it out, filling it in, and then kind of playing with the shape a little bit until it looks the most flattering for your eye shape. And I did bring that all the way down just to the inner corner as well. So once you get that shape worked out the way you want, I did actually take a Kleenex and clean up that line a little bit, and then you just have to do the other side. And this is a lipstick that was discontinued, sadly. If there are any natural makeup companies watching this for some reason, please make glitter-packed lipsticks. Especially a dark one like this. It has a purple, blue, and pink shimmer, the colors that I use for my eyeshadows. It's amazing. It's so good, so fun. Please make more of this. But I line the bottom of my lips with a lipstick and then smack them together to get a quick lip lining done, and that's my little lip trick. And then I just filled in with the lipstick tube, cleaned it up a bit with a brush. And I also gave it a quick dab with a Kleenex. Because this is glitter packed, it does have to be kind of sheer, so I kind of just gave it a dab so that I could layer on a second layer. And I did that line with the brush, and then I just filled in with the tube just to create a really saturated, just a full like black glitter lip. Love it. And then I curled and put on my mascara. Do the little wiggle thing at the bottom, work your way up through the tips. And repeat on the other side. And I also added some to the bottom lashes as well. I think it really just adds to this super playful yet dark look. I love that kind of combination. Such a fun look. I was super happy with it. Being 25, finding new things on your face. But yes, I was very happy with how this turned out. If you can't tell, super excited. And now it's time for the hair. I of course have to tame those flyaways with my mermaid hair oil from Captain Blankenship. And then I just kind of run the excess through the length of my hair. I literally just use a couple drops, guys. This stuff really goes a long way. Realized I forgot my concealer. I pat on just some foundation by the All Natural Face. In the winter, I use their cream foundation. It's super, super moisturizing and hydrating. It's really, really phenomenal, and for some reason it smells amazing too. And then I pat on a powder concealer by Silk Naturals called Sleep in a Jar. I've been using that for over a decade now, actually. It's really amazing. It's been the best concealer I found yet. And then this is such a simple hairstyle, guys. It's so easy, I promise. So you just pull your hair back, leave out a couple pieces around your face. And I just worked with my natural kind of hair texture that I had today and put it in a low ponytail kind of to the side. Wrap it around a couple times, but not super tight, because you're actually going to loosen it just a bit. create a slit in the middle and then pull it through over the top. Yes, I always miss that one little hair. You pull it all the way through so the ponytail's sticking out the bottom, and then you can pull it tight right up against your nape. And when you pull it, you can kind of reposition it how you want it to look. See, I pull it just up a little bit there, and then I just kind of loosen the hair a little bit where I wanted a bit more volume. Super, super easy, guys. Super, super easy. And I think this is a great hairstyle to work with all hair textures, whatever your natural hair texture is. So I love it for that reason. Then I add this beautiful bright blue ribbon. I cross that ribbon over the top of the twist of the hair and then wrapped it around underneath the twist and tied it as best I could into a bow. And then, of course, futzed with it for far too long until it looked more like a bow. And there you go. There's your look, guys. Super, like, the makeup is complicated, the hairstyle is super, super easy and fun. And if you guys would like to see the outfit with this look, well, you're gonna go have to check me out on Instagram. I hope to see you guys there. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.